Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Intact Insurance Canada. Review my auto and home claims experience. Intact Insurance Canada offers home and auto insurance, targeting Canadian homeowners and drivers. They aim to provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind in case of accidents or damage. Key features often include various deductible options, roadside assistance, and bundled discounts. Their website provides details on different coverage options and allows you to get quotes. They emphasize reliable service, a wide network of repair shops, and a streamlined claims process. While pricing varies depending on individual needs and location, they aim for competitive rates and transparent pricing, with no hidden fees. You can check availability and get a personalized quote directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Intact Insurance for my car and home insurance. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I used their online portal to get quotes for both my car and house, comparing different coverage levels and deductibles. The website was easy to navigate, and the information was presented clearly. I appreciated the ability to customize my coverage and see the price adjust in real time. Once I chose my policies, the online sign-up process was smooth. Everything was digitized, and I didn't need to print or mail any documents. Managing my policies online has also been convenient. I can access my policy documents, update my information, and even report a claim directly through the website. I thankfully haven't had any major claims, but I did have to use their roadside assistance once when I got a flat tire. I called their support line, and they dispatched a tow truck within an hour. The operator was friendly and helpful, and the whole process was stress-free. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the Intact Insurance website is. The standout feature for me is the ability to manage everything online, from getting a quote to reporting a claim. One minor drawback was the initial difficulty finding information about specific discounts, but their online chat support quickly helped me clarify that. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Intact Insurance. They offer a good balance of coverage, service, and online convenience. That's my overview of Intact Insurance Canada. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.